How's it going? My name is Andrew. I'm 25 years old. I'm from San Diego, California. And my first impression of Banda Aceh was the people. People are absolutely fabulous, absolutely genuine, kind-hearted, just true souls who care about one another and care about their guests and are very, very welcoming. It's a place I'd highly recommend anyone to come. The nature, the beauty of the people, and the surroundings, what really melted myself into the culture and really made me feel at home. But yeah, I had the opportunity today to visit the Grand Mosque. It's one of the few buildings that actually survived the 2004 tsunami, and I believe there's a reason for that, reason from God that that building is still standing. But the people are very spiritual, the people are very religious for all the right reasons, and I believe the religion really ties everyone together, gives them really great moral values, and really goes a long way in building the community into a stronger setting and place for all. One of the things I highly recommend for anyone to visit during their time in Banda Aceh is to visit the 2004 Tsunami Museum. The museum is a sight to behold. The architecture outside is absolutely incredible, but more importantly is the atmosphere and the energy that surrounds the building. All of the people outside are very vibrant, very lively, despite a very tragic event that happened. And it seems like the tsunami actually bonded everyone together and built a stronger community overall. I got to see the helicopter outside, and everything was just a sight to behold. So I highly recommend anyone visit that as well. But I can't speak highly enough about the food here. The food has been absolutely delicious, from the chicken to the rice to the seafood. Very, very healthy, and everything's making me stronger, making me more intelligent upstairs, and the food is something I highly recommend for anyone to try here. But another thing though, too, I mean, my favorite, surfing. The waves here are epic, good swell, the water's pristine, nice turquoise blue aquatic waters, very, very warm too. It's like a bathtub, going out there shredding, getting the boards, just charging every wave. Man, I love it. So if you're a surfer, if you're a foodie, you know, you're a historian, you like to see the museum, and also you're a people person, Banda Aceh is the place for you.